Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I am your English instructor. Welcome to my class. Here's a bridging and here's the answer of that bridging. I hope you have solved it. Let's see what BLIFT and learning outcome we have today. Today we are going to discuss BLIFT number 26. It's oral communication. And the learning outcome is speak confidently using complex vocabulary and longer sentences to fulfill different purposes. As we have read in the chapter about Captain Sarwar Shahid who laid down his life for the defense of the country. And he showed patriotism. What is patriotism? Exploring what it means truly love our country. Learning from the amazing bravery of Captain Muhammad Sarwar Shahid. We have to work together to find important ideas in exciting stories. First, we have to understand what patriotism is. It simply means loving and supporting your country. It is shown by having pride in where you live. When you boast about that, I live in Pakistan, that is patriotism. We show it by always respecting our country's values and rules. Meet our hero, Captain Muhammad Sarwar Shahid. Sometimes showing love for your country requires great courage, as he shown. Captain Muhammad Sarwar Shahid was a very brave soldier. He is remembered as an incredible example of true patriotism because he laid down his life for the defense of the country. It is a true and remarkable story. He faced immense danger to protect our nation and its people. His bold actions perfectly show the true spirit of patriotism. He put the safety of his country and fellow citizens before his own life. Now, what you have to do? Your work for today is read a special section of our text about our hero. Together, become detective to find the most important idea in the story. What is the main idea of the story? Share your amazing discoveries with the rest of the class. What is the main idea? It is a big picture. The main idea is most important point the writer want to make. It tells us what the whole section is mostly about. Think of it as the big roof of a house that covers everything inside. It is like a top of the house. Now, step 2 is gather the supporting details. Whatever paragraph is assigned to you, you have to find supporting details about that main idea so that you can express those details while addressing it to your fellows. These are the facts, clues, examples that explain the main idea. They are like the strong pillars that hold up the roof of the house. They help answer important questions like who, what, where, and why. How to complete your group quest? Sit with your group and read your assigned section carefully together. Discuss the text and agree on the main idea of your section. Find the specific supporting details that prove your main idea is correct. Listen every person of your group member or listen every group member carefully. Preparing to share your discoveries with the whole class. Choose a teammate to clearly explain your group's main idea. Choose teammate to share your interesting sporting detail. Make sure everyone in the group has a chance to speak to the class. Tips: stand up tall in front of class. Now, speak loudly and look at your fellows while addressing. Smile and be very proud of the hard work your group has done. Discuss your findings together. Okay, bachcho, here is a formative check in which you have to discuss it in front of your class after preparing this in a group. Okay, bachcho, I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Allah Hafiz.